the last step is to glue on your caps. All your kits are going to come with a pergola cap and an end cap for your purlin holders, and a little tube of glue. So you take your glue, and a little bit goes a long way. Put that in there, like so. Should just slide right on. Same with this cap. Get all four sides. Okay, if you get a little bit overflowing like that, you just wipe it right off. You just repeat that for all the rest of the caps on the pergola. And remember, you've got a little Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You want to go by it this time. If you made any pencil marks while you're going about it, you can take those off with that. And you're all set. Enjoy a cold beverage in the shade.